Fuck, I can't even put the flash.
That's like video number 15. This lady has a garbage bag full of Redbox movies, and she's going ham at the Redbox. Hard than a motherfucker.
Look, get it.
God damn. I've never seen nobody with a garbage bag full of Redbox movies before. This shit is ridiculous.
She is not bringing them bitches back.
No, she's not bringing them back.
Redbox fraud.
Oh shit. She going ham on the Redbox. Look at that garbage bag.
We've been sitting here waiting for a grip.
Sitting here waiting for like 20 minutes. She got a garbage bag full of Redbox videos. Whoa, it's another one.
And it's in the bag.
She going ham.
Somebody got their direct deposit, their income taxes booming. You ain't bringing all them videos back, dog.
Oh, here we go again. Yo, it's the flame on. Flame's been lighting. Shit is ridiculous. Makes no sense. Check me out on YouTube/Flames Been Lighting. Check me out on Facebook/Flames Been Lighting. Follow me on Twitter @Bin Laden Flames. Back to this lady, Jack in the Redbox. Call her Jack in the Box, yo. That's her name now, Jack in the Box. Oh, it ain't even worth rolling the window down. Just watch her Jack in the Box.
That bag ain't even holding up no more, y'all.
Man, she got a garbage bag full of red bags.
And there one goes. It's like 52.
Another one. This shit cray. Man, that shit cray. That's like video number 50. Alright, but I bet you another one come out to watch. Wow. This shit just not gonna stop, yo. Shit don't make no sense. She's gonna get another one watch, bet you. Up.
Bam.
Jack in the Box, yo. Get him again. Yup. Shit, sell me Modern Warfare while you at it. Cause you ain't gonna let me get no movies. I know you got Modern Warfare or 007 up in there. New Harold and Kumar, man. Sell that shit to me for the $5. I wish I was cool with her. No, I wish I was cool with her. If I was cool with her, I'd be good. I have all the new shit. Garbage bag, yo. This shit cray. Follow me on Twitter @Bin Laden Flames. This shit crazy. That's BINLADINFLAMES. Cleveland, Ohio. Niggas Jack in the Box, yo. This shit crazy. One more time. Get him again, lady. Get him again.
That makes 60.
Wow. That shit cray.